Hello. Okay, am I audible? Am I audible? All right, so let's solve the question 1. Pi is equal. You need to find dy by dx. Start with the simple MCQ. Find dy by dx. So let's option x square cos x square. Option B minus 2x cos x square. Option C 2x cos x square. And option D 2x sin x square. Okay, tell me your answers. So option C will be the right answer. I hope you got this. Then Find dy by dx at x equal to pi by 4. 1, -1, 0, root 2. Options are 1, -1, 0, root 2. Hello, am I audible now? Hello. Am I audible now? Hello. Okay, am I audible? All right. Okay, let's solve question 3. Differentiate e raised to sin x with respect to cos x. E raised to sin x with respect to cos x. Options are minus e raised to sin x into cot x. Option B, e raised to sin x cot x. Option C, minus e raised to sin x tan x. And option D, e raised to sin x tan x. Okay, solve and tell me the answer. Okay, Harsh, Arav. Okay, everyone are getting option A. A is the right answer. You need to find the differentiation of this e raised to sin x. Then for sin x it is cos x, and for this derivative will be in denominator, that will be minus sin x. So your net answer will be option A. Okay, perfect. Let's solve the next one. If f of x is equal to mod x, then at x equal to 0, f of x is, I am writing in short form. Option A, continuous and differentiable. Option B, continuous and not differentiable. Then discontinuous and differentiable. And option D, not continuous and not differentiable. At x equal to 0, to tell me. Okay, you are Maulik, multiverse Maulik. Okay, continuous and not differentiable. That is the right answer. Continuous and not differentiable. Okay, जहाँ पे पॉइंट, जहाँ पे ऐसा ग्राफ पॉइंट आउट होगा वहाँ पे यू कैन से डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी पॉसिबल नहीं है, बट इट इज कंटिन्यूअस. Okay, yes, good evening. So option B is the right answer. Let's solve next. If f of x is, let's say f of x is equal to log of log x, then dy by dx will be equal to blank. So your answer is, options are 1 upon x log x, 1 upon log x, 1 upon x, and x upon log x. Okay, easy question. You can quickly solve this. Alright, done. Option A is the right answer. Log x का 1 by log x होगा, then again log x का derivative 1 by x होगा. Let's see the next one. Find second order derivative. Find second order derivative for the function x cube plus 10x. Options are 2x, 6x plus 2, sec square x 10x, 3x square plus sec square x, 6x plus sec square x 10x, and 6x plus 2 sec x 10x. Try to solve it. Okay. Option C. 6x plus x square x 10x. Okay. Okay, Harsh is saying option A. Option A will be the right answer. First derivative will be 3x square, and for 10x it is x square x. For this it will be 6x. Here it will be 2 sec x, and for sec x it is sec x 10x. So option A will be the right answer. Very good. Okay, let's see the next question. F of x sin inverse x. Sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Find f dash of x. 1 upon 1 plus x square, 2 upon 1 plus x square, minus 2 upon 1 plus x square, and 2 upon root 1 plus x square. Okay, option B. It is NCERT question. Option B is the right answer. Okay, let's solve the next one. Oh yes, Kanjan, welcome to the party. The function f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square, x cube minus 3x square plus 4x is strictly increasing on which interval? Minus infinite to 0, then 0 to infinite, then a real number, and 1 to 2. It will be strictly increasing on which interval? Okay, option A, minus infinite to 0. Try to solve it. Don't say A because everyone is saying A. Okay, option C. Let's see. F dash of x, it will be 3x square minus 6x plus 4. 3x square minus 6x plus 4. Now we can factorize it. 4 3s are 12 and minus plus. Rather, we can make a completing square equation also. That is also the possible case. So let's make a third term. It is mt square 4 into ft. So minus 6x into minus 6x upon 4 into 3x square. So this will be, here it will be 3. So f dash of x will be equal to 3x square minus 6x plus 3 plus 4 minus 3. So this will be a perfect square equation. You can take 3 common over here, so it will be plus 1. And as it is positive, it is always greater than 0. So option C will be the correct answer. Any doubt you can ask. If any doubt you can ask. Whenever you get quadratic, try to make it as a perfect square. This is the, you can say, in the last exercise 6.3. First 4 questions was given like this. First 4 questions, they were like this. Any doubt? All right. Let's see the next one. Minimum value of the minimum value of f of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x plus 5 on interval minus 2 to 3. On interval minus 2 to 3. This interval is important. Minus 15, minus 11, 12 and 0. And got this? Okay, minus 15. Option A. Or are we saying A? Okay, option D. Minus 15. Okay, let's solve. Here you need to find f dash of x. It is 6x square minus 6x minus 12. You can take 6 common. X square minus x minus 2. So x minus 2 and x plus 1. So when you compare it with 0, the value of x you will get plus 2 and x equal to minus 1. You have to check for this. Okay, जब ये दो वैल्यू इसमें रखोगे, you will get some values. Okay. Also, you need to check this values of closed interval -2 and इसमें से भी कभी मिनिमम या मैक्सिमम वैल्यू निकल सकता है. तो that also you need to check. ये नहीं भूलना है. ओके, जो इंटरवल क्लोज इंटरवल दिया है उसमें से भी चेक करना है. राइट नाउ यू माइट बी गेटिंग -15 by placing the value 2. So is it clear, everyone? Don't forget this interval which is given in question. कभी कभी क्वेश्चन ऐसा होगा कि इसमें से आंसर होगा, तो वो भी चेक करना है. Alright, any doubt? The total revenue in rupees, received from sales of X unit is R of X is equal to 3x square plus 36x, 3x square plus 36x plus 5. So marginal revenue at x equal to 15. This you need to find. Options are 116, 126, 136 and 96. Option A, option B, option B, option B. All right, option B is the right answer. So you just need to find the derivative. Whenever marginal is asked, it is derivative of total, whether it is a revenue or a cost. Okay. The function f of x is equal to log sin x. Log sin x is strictly decreasing in which quadrant? 0 to pi by 2, then pi by 2 to pi, then 0 to pi, and pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Strictly decreasing, which quadrant? Option C, B, D, सब आगे. Okay, which is the correct answer? Strictly decreasing, you need to find. Okay, anyone else? Strictly decreasing. Okay, option B. Let's check. See, you just need to find f dash of x. So it will be 1 by sin x into cos x. So f dash of x will be equal to cot x. Now you need to check in first quadrant, according to all STC rule, you need to check about the cot x. All S, T and C. So cot will be positive over here and here. So here it's negative and it will be decreasing. So option B will be the correct answer. Option B. Okay. Also you can see tangent. Okay. Rather than going for this concept, the perfect way is to identify tan function is increasing in all and cot is decreasing in second quadrant with the negative values. Okay, that is also the case you can consider. Just follow that table, value table, and you will get the correct answer. In second, it is negative. So we have considered a second quadrant. Okay, next question. A cylindrical tank radius 10 meter is being filled with wheat at rate of 314 meter cube per hour. Depth rate of change is depth rate of change is option A 1 meter per hour, option B 0.1 meter per hour, option C 3.14 meter per hour, and option D 10 meter per hour. Namaste Guruji. Okay, option A. One kilometer per hour. Okay, let's solve. When you are getting option A, okay, volume of cylinder, we consider pi r square h. Here the value of r is given, that is 10. So pi into 10 square into h. So V is equal to 100 pi h. Now we need to find depth rate of change, that is height h. So dV by dt, this value is given, this is dV by dt. dV by meter cube per hour. Okay. So dV by dt, that is time, 100 pi into dH by dt. Here time is in hour, this is not height. So dV by dt is given 314. If I take the value of pi as 3.14, then it will be 314 dH by dt. So value of dH by dt will be 1. So I hope it's clear. Any doubt you can ask? The rate of change of area, next question. The rate of change of area of circle with respect to radius when r is equal to 6 centimeter is blank. Option A 10 pi centimeter square per centimeter. Option B 12 pi, unit will be same. Option C 8 pi, and option D 11 pi. This is a kind of question which is also given in NCERT. That's why you are responding very quickly. Okay, so I think I don't need to solve, everyone getting the right answer. Okay, so that is 12 pi. Let's solve the next. If x square plus y square is equal to a square, then dy by dx is equal to what? Type the answer. I will not give the option. You need to type the answer. X square plus y square is equal to a square. No one getting the answer? Okay, one response I received, y by x. Type your answer. Okay, shall I solve? Taking too much time for this silly question. It is 2x plus 2y dy by dx. Here a is constant. It will be 0. So dy by dx will be equal to minus 2y. Okay, it will be minus 2x by 2y. So answer is negative x by y. How many of you got this? Honestly tell me. No cheating. How many of you got this? Minus x by y. All right. If you got it, why not typing? Everyone get the answer. So okay, let's see the next. If y is equal to tan inverse x, if y is equal to tan inverse x, then 1 plus x square into y2 plus 2xy1 is equal to blank. Your options will be 0 or 1, minus 1 and 2. Okay, very good. So good. Option A is the right answer. You have to find y1, so it will be 1 upon 1 plus x square. So when you multiply it over here, so it will seem to be like this: 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to 1. Now when you find the derivative of this 1 plus x square as it is, product rule, y1 का differentiation होगा y2. And keeping y1 as it is, the derivative of 1 plus x square will be 2x, and derivative of 1 will be 0. So option A will be the right answer. If you have solved this smartly, it's so nice. Okay, let's solve the last question for the day. The age of cube is increasing. The age of cube is increasing at 3 centimeter per second. The rate of increase in volume, rate of increase in volume when age is 10 centimeter. Options are 900, option B 300, option C 600, option D 270. It's all in centimeter cube per second. Centimeter cube per second option. Okay. Okay, two different response I got. Okay, option A, everyone saying. Option A. Let's solve it. Let's say age length is 10 centimeter and age of cube is increasing. So dx by dt, it is given as 3 centimeter per second. We need to find the volume. Volume of cube is x cube. So dv by dt is 3x square into dx by dt. Substitute all the value. Your answer will be 900. So option A will be the perfect. Okay, need to solve more questions. Not done for the day. Reply quickly. Okay, it's 9:36. So till 9:40, let's solve it. 4 minutes more. Okay, let's solve one small question. The function f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 6 is decreasing in the interval that you need to say minus infinite to minus 2, no sorry, plus 2. Option B 2 to infinite. Option C minus infinite to infinite. And option D 0 to 4. In which interval it will be decreasing? 2 to infinite. Okay. Option A, B. You are saying A and you are saying B. Okay, let's see. F dash of x is equal to 2x minus 4. Now for a decreasing function, or you can just write f dash of x is equal to 0. So you will get the value of x to be 2. Now you draw the number line. And when you keep the value minus infinite to any value, let's say minus 10, if I keep over here, f dash of x will be negative. So option A will be the right answer. Option A will be the right answer. Any doubt? Any doubts? Okay, so that's it for the day. I hope these MCQs are clear and these are very important questions. Okay, this kind of questions you will get in your examination. So be prepared. See you tomorrow and enjoy your holiday.